Yo, what's up guys? I'm here with my cat. It's my cat Tigris. Tigris. Oh. Oh, there's a person right there. Tigris, ciao le cabra queca. Oh shit. Oh shit, wait. Tigris. Tigris. Anyways, yeah, so I'm with my cat outside. As you can see right there is the sky. And I hear, yeah, Tigris. Hang on, let me see if I can get... Oh, shit. Don't want to attack the camera, Tigris. Okay. Tigris. Oh. Man, look at my cat, guys. Tigris, oh. Tigris. Oh. Tigris, what's otro? Tigris, otro Jedeke. Look at that little fella. Look at that little boy. Look at little bro. What you doing in there, little bro? Oi. Tigris. يا خورة Tigris. Oh. The cat in the wild. Hello, look up at me. Look up at the camera, Tigri. Tigri. Oh, me. Kind of. Look at the camera. You know, it was a funny thing actually. I was actually gonna record one of these videos like back in 2025, but I was too fucking lazy to do it. So yeah, fuck that. I might just low-key keep this a short video. Don't. I mean, I guess, bro. I guess for the camera, I guess. You know, what if I just oh goddamn. Tigris, chill. Chill, Tigris. Tigris. Oh goddamn it. Gigi. Where did little bro go? Is he back here or what? Oh, there you are. There you are, innit, little bro? Come here. Oh, and he went back in the bush. The fuck is that? Is that a fucking McDonald's cup? Anyways, I'm getting tired of recording. Anyways, see you guys. That was it for my cat.